yesterday when we went to Delta, we did our best to take a look around the camp.
It's okay na.
So we built the pit.
Hopefully.
Hey, think of how amazing it's going to feel and not give up.
I just wanna get better.
It's the bitter end. The entire Charlie squad. Underneath almost where underneath that embers. Looking so close.
I think we need to go up.
The fire will still right here. All hands were on deck, and it was like a surgery, man.
There we go.
Small little pieces, just starting with one little feather stick and just slowly piling things on. Yeah. They just caught and caught and caught.
Yeah, I was thinking it.
And then it just.
Hello everyone.
Let's go, dude.
Okay, very good. There's a fire. The fire is burning. Hey guys, marami kaming huling ano ngayon, alimasag. Masag ba yun? Ito guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Wow, ang dami guys. Wow, kita nyo ba yun guys? Nako, ang dami nahuli yan sa ilog guys. Masarap ito, ginataan. Amazing! Mapaparami ako ng kain nito guys.
Guys, you have to keep in mind that this is a game. I am here to compete and win a portion of $1 million.
Ayan na. Come here, doggy. No, don't show that. Nyog. Dami namin saging dito, oh. Super dami. Papunta yan dito sa taas. Super dami saging, guys.
2 nights ago, we saw Alpha Team shoot that direction. They have one last time.
Hintayin natin maluto siya, guys.
They need help.
Gusto ko mga parang.
And also, if I went to Delta Bravo team, you have to consider that the prize money is going to be split operations for. So I don't know if they want something, but Alpha Team only have 3 members on the team.
Look. Dami, diba? Makain din makain nito, guys. This one, makain din yan. You eat this? Pagkain Pinoy. Sarap. Ang dami nito, dito sa probinsya. Wow. Crabs. Gravy. O diba, mapapakain ka talaga. Ganito ba naman ang ulam mo, guys? Kasarap. It's super delicious.
Right now,
Diba, guys? Super delicious.
getting some actual food in our
Super
belly.
delicious.
Yeah, buddy. These little mud crabs. They're fine for now, but like the colder weather is on its way. The more
Super
variety
delicious.
of food that we can find and such a eat,
Super
it's just gonna
delicious.
better our chances of staying out here longer. 29 crabs and 2
Kain na.
rocks. It's not bad.
Kain na, guys. Wow.
Oh my
Super
god.
dami.
I understand he's getting a little sick of them, but it's nice
Anong
to have
tawag
some
nito sa
today.
inyo? Anong tawag niyan guys sa inyo, guys, ha? Hi, Moonlight. O, anong tawag dito sa inyo, Moonlight?
Something.
Kumakain ka ba nito?
My private deck calls
Masarap
it
ito sa suka.
great little mental
Sausaw sa
boost,
suka.
you know?
Wow.
Really appetizing. Thank you, buddy.
Sarap.